Okay, Unnati, you can start.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. Hope you all are fine and safe. I am Unnati Kshatriya from Food Tech Department, MSc second year, as host for today's event. First of all, I would like to welcome our chief guest for today's event, Professor Sabnam Saxena, Dean of Haryana School of Business Department, Aditya Veer Singh, Assistant Director of Training and Placement Cell, and our respected judges, Dr. Taruna from Psychology Department, Mr. Vivek Kumar, Managing Director of Origin India Private Limited. Now, I would like to call Aditya Veer sir for the welcome speech. Sir.
Thank you, Nati. Thank you. On the behalf of our Training and Placement Cell, I heartily welcome our today's chief guest, Professor Shabnam Saxena ji, Dean, Haryana School of Business. I would like to welcome the judges also for today's event, Dr. Taruna ji, Associate Professor, Department of Psychology, and Mr. Vivek Kumar ji, Managing Director, Origin India Private Limited. I would like to welcome all the participants also who have come forward and participated in this event. And I also appreciate the efforts done by the volunteers for the successful of this program. So this program is a part of Udbhavna module series, which we have been doing for the past 3 years. And this fortnight virtual speakathon, this is the series number 8. This is a group discussion. This is the second group discussion. I think third group discussion program we are doing under this module. So this program has been started in the view of like students to improve the communication skills and soft skills of the student, because these are the important aspects which companies are looking for these days. Apart from the technical aspect, the main focus is given on the soft skills. So to improve the soft skills of students, these program has been started with the help of Training Placement Cell and Guru Jambheshwar University of Science and Technology. So I welcome all to be present in this program of group discussion. So I think we'll start the program. So over to you, Unnati.
Thank you so much, sir. We feel really privileged to have your supervision. Now, I want to call Professor Sabna Saxena, ma'am, to say few words and encourage our participants, ma'am.
Thank you, Niti. Thank you, Niti. Uh, yes, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are. Yes.
Okay. Aditya Veer Singh ji, Assistant Director Training and Placement Cell, Mr. Vivek Kumar ji, and Dr. Taruna, Assistant Professor, Department of Psychology. First of all, I'm extremely thankful to Pratap Singh Malik ji, Director Training and Placement, for inviting me as a chief guest for this fortnightly virtual Speakathon 8, a virtual group discussion contest. For this, Training and Placement Cell deserves all appreciations for organizing such online competitions, particularly for our students, even in the present pandemic situation. This COVID-19 situation is really a very tough situation for the students. Students are sitting at far off places. In spite of sitting at far off places, they are connected with all of us, and means we are really thankful to this Training and Placement Cell for organizing such programs. Now, as far as the topics for this GD are concerned, though even for the students, it is really very difficult to participate online for this GDs, because GD में तो ऐसा रहता है कि they have to discuss all the things when particularly means बहुत अच्छे से discuss कर पाते हैं when particularly they are sitting in front of each other. That is the point. Of course, means from that angle, students will definitely give their best. The topics for GD are really current and relevant. You have chosen few of the topics even on COVID-19 and this present situations, even bill for farmers. This is very current. So I hope students will definitely be able to give their best. If I take that what type of development or what type of motivation students can get by participating in such contests, maybe online, offline, by participating in such contests, candidates can really develop their communication skills, can develop their confidence, and of course, all these contributions to their personality will definitely contribute to the development of their overall personality. So means without taking much time, I just want to extend all the best to the training and placement cell, Aditya Singh ji, who is organizing this program, and all the participants who are participating in this program, in this group discussion activity. So all the best from my side, and thanks again for inviting me to be the part of this program. Thank you, Aditya Singh ji.
Thank you.
Okay. Welcome.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Your words have immense power. It fills up our students' energy. After organizing so many successful events by Training and Placement Cell of Guru Jambheshwar University, we all are once again virtually gathered to encourage our students. Today's event theme is group discussion. It's a fortnightly virtual speakathon 8th organized by Training and Placement Cell. This is a platform to bring into lines with our vision, which state that not only scholarly development of an individual is important, but the development of complete personality, which helps students to stand out in competitive professional environment. Group discussion is just not help in learning more, but also increase your understanding of a subject. It helps you build your confidence in yourself and lets you know about your mistakes and weaknesses. Difficulties in your life do not come to destroy you, but to help you realize your hidden potential and power. So, let difficulties know that you too are difficult. Rules for today's event are, as name suggests, is group discussion. So, participants will not argue or debate with each other. Participants during their GD will not turn off their mic and camera. If you are found doing so, then your team will be disqualified. There will be only one round, and every group will be getting 20 minutes to speak. Students are divided in two groups, one in breakout room and second in main group. The notification you will get for breakout room, the evaluation criteria will be based on content or subject knowledge, communication skill, interpersonal skill, initiative, and body language. Each criteria will be of 20 marks, which lead to final 100 marks value. Now let's start. Now we will
Just a minute.
divide how many?
Just a minute, Unnati. Can I ask something? Aditya Singh ji,
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
can I leave the program? Can I leave the meeting?
ठीक है मैम, if you are busy.
I have some urgent assignment.
Sure, thank
Okay,
you.
okay. Thank you again. Okay. Bye, everybody.
Unnati, before we start the program, let's have some judges can give a light on the group discussion. They can motivate the students before
Sure,
starting the
sir.
program. Okay, so let's call the Taruna ma'am first to say something. Taruna ji.
Yes, I am very much here.
Yes, ma'am. Kindly guide our and motivate our students.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you, Aditya ji. It's my pleasure. It's a privilege and honor once again to get associated with the Training and Placement Cell, and I extend my heartfelt welcome to Mr. Vivek Kumar ji, also the MD of Origin India Private Limited. Welcome to you to the virtual platform of Guru Jambheshwar University of Science and Technology, Hisar. We welcome you. I being the assistant professor of this GJU family, I extend my heartfelt welcome to you too. And once again, all the best to the participants. And as we see that during this unprecedented times of COVID-19, where we see a total paradigm shift in teaching and learning, such kind of activities, they keep us connected. And this is the effort of our training and placement cell, especially Pratap Singh Malik ji and Aditya Veer Singh ji and their team, they are regularly they are into speakathon, and they are online, they are conducting aptitude testing. I have seen that regularly, constantly. I am observing and reading, going through the newspapers. I get to know that the activities are continuing. Activities are continuing every month. The monthly activity has never been stopped. So this speakathon, such activities are mandatory, my, are really, they're required for the all-round development of the students. Students, whenever you go at the end, when you will be there in the market with the degree in your hands, they will ask you for behavioral skills as well as for soft skills. And this is the platform being provided to you where you can overcome with all your inhibitions. Whatever inhibitions, they all will be out. So once again, all the best to all the participants. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, your lovely words. Now I want to call Vivek Kumar sir. Sir, please.
Hello. Yes, Vivek ji, yes.
Hello. Yes, this is Vivek Kumar here, and I would like to thank to Jambisha University for having me here, and obviously, and I second to Saxena ma'am as well that today's topic are very wide and include the various topics which have been in the current dominion as well. So I when yesterday I got the mail and the list of the topics, and I actually keen to listen the students and participants over here that what they are going to say on these topics. And I hope that participants will be having a plethora of information for the given topics, because these topics are very much relevant to the current scenario. And secondly, yes, I second to Taruna ma'am as well that these kind of activities given by GJU is very important. And judging by the current scenario and the COVID-19 happening, that we need to have the people who are outspoken, and also they need to know that how much requirements are there to groom themselves. And by grooming, by the word grooming, I would say that not only includes the personality at the physical sense but the mental as well. So yes, these kind of activities like speakathon you are organizing at this podium is very important, and participants will be clearly having a lot of help with these kind of activities. So for the next time, I would not take much time, and over to you, sir, and all the best to everyone.
Thank you, Vivek ji.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, I'm again repeating all the rules for the participants. Like, as name suggests, it's a group discussion. So participants will not debate or argue with each other. Participants during their GD will not turn off their mic and camera. If you are found doing so, then your team will be disqualified. There will be only one round. Every group will have only 20 minutes to speak. Students are divided in two groups, one in breakout room and second in main group. You will get the notification for the breakout room. The evaluation criteria will be based on content or subject knowledge, interpersonal skill, communication skill, initiative, and body language. Each criteria will be of 20 marks, which leads to final 100-mark value, and the topic will be given on the spot by the judges. Sir, now I want to request you to divide participants.
Okay. I'm making the breakout room. So I have created the room now. So this is the main room where Dr. Taruna is the judge. Okay. And the next room has been created where Mr. Vivek has been sent. So I think Unnati, we can start now.
Yes, sir. So I divide students in both groups. Okay, sir.
You divide the groups now.
Okay. In first group, Kavita, Gurvinder Kaur, Varsha Kumari, Aman Jindal, Dhruv Grover, Nishit Shubhankar, and Pratibha Sangwan. In second group, Shaima Girdhar, Shalya Jain, Sagar Mishra, Raghav, and addition of 2 more students, Pratibha Sangwan and Nishit. You both will join the group 2. So we have 7 students, 5 in first group and 6 in second group.
Okay. So when the GD will start, each student has to speak his or her name. Okay, so that the judges can write down the name. Okay.
And do anyone have query about their groups?
Okay, Unnati, so call the group first group, and you
Okay, sir.
note it down.
Okay, sir. In first group, we have Kavita, Varsha, Aman, Gurvinder, Dhruv. Please start.
Switch on their video. Participants switch on their video and audio too. Only
You are not allowed to off your camera and mic.
Just wait for some minutes because I think Taruna ma'am also have gone to the other room.
Yes, sir.
Just hold on.
ये माइक किसका ऑन है? माइक ऑफ करो एक बार सारे.
So we have Dr. Taruna is here again. So ma'am, this is the first batch. We have 6 students. You can note down the name in the Excel sheet. Bacha, introduce yourself one by one. Okay.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Dhruv.
What is your name?
Dhruv Grover.
Dhruv.
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Kavita.
I think we should go with the series, okay? First is Dhruv Grover, then second is Aman Jindal, ma'am.
Uh, Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Aman Jindal. I'm a student of B Pharmacy, second year.
बस नाम नाम बताओ अभी. Third is Kavita.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Kavita.
Okay.
Then fourth is Gurvinder Kaur.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself, Gurvinder Kaur.
Fifth is Varsha Kumari.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, my name is Varsha.
Sixth is Raghav.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself Raghav Saini.
Raghav Sani.
Yes, ma'am.
Because simultaneously I'm entering in the Excel sheet also.
हाँ जी. And next is Sagar. Last.
Sagar.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself, Sagar Misra.
Welcome you all and all the best to the participants.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, out of the topics which I have shared with you, you can give any topic to them.
Topic for the participants is Vocal for Local. How effective is this slogan?
Well, initiating the first step is vocal for local as it rhymes.
Dhruv, wait. Take 2 minutes time. Let everybody think about it.
Okay.
After 2 minutes,
Sure,
then start the group discussion.
Sure.
If everybody else has done, I think you can start.
Okay, the first thing I noticed is the rhyme. The rhythm it contains, vocal for local, is a very catchy part. Because one thing for slogan is to be done is it should be catchy, so that other person could know or could listen with it in interest. What the content should be is organized just because on the basis of the slogan. And the second point is recently our Prime Minister used these words in the context of initiating or promoting the local market. He said we should promote local market over the international market, so that it could get more benefit for India, so that Indian money will be located or exchanged in Indian market, so that GDP will grow. As we know, GDP is way low than it started, and its main thing that I got to know, it has two more further reasons to be good. First one is, as our president said, we know we should promote minority local people, and the more explicit way it could be said as, we must know which party or which minority party to be vocal for. Like if I speak for a person who is or a group who is not explicit to the word, who is not aware of the situation, but on behalf of them I talk to the person, or I initiate, it means I am being vocal to the local, person who are not aware of the situation, but according to in including all the aspects, I am being supporting them. And vocal here also means a support. So what do you think?
Yes, Dhruv, you are right. Like it sounds very nice, like vocal for local. I also think that this idea was very good for our country. Like it gives the small businesses in our country. It gives opportunity them to trade at a higher level, or they can create their locally product at a global arena, so that as you say that, so that our global situation can be improved by this. If we can produce our products locally, local for vocal, like we trading local, we go for products as compared to the brands of the other countries. If we go for these, then we can have our currency in our own country, as well as we have other currency as well, which increase the GDP level as well, also increase the currency value of our country. This is a very nice
Yeah,
concept
yeah,
given by our PM Narendra Modi, vocal for
yeah,
local. Like,
exactly.
yes,
One more thing that I noticed is even with these just three words, it can change a lot people to initiate or give them power or give them just a little support. Sometimes you just need a push so that other person can listen to you or can know what you think. So it's a kind of push. It is that push which helps us and motivates us to speak. Speaking is the foremost part. If you want to express your things, you must know the other person's aspects, other person's perspectives. So this is the I would say best kind of words which in the simplest way a person can initiate, or a person can galvanize a person to give the support.
yes, right.
Before going
Uh,
to global or international, I would like to suggest that we should increase our local marketing before going international, because we ourselves not using our equipment or stuff we manufacture in lower
Yeah,
risk.
this
So how we expect others to use as the global, as we
exactly, this is what it is explaining.
ourselves, yeah, exactly. And that we ourselves think that it is made in US and it is made in China, and it will be definitely better than India. So we first have to change the mentality of the people by this. That's why this slogan is very effective for youngsters also.
Yeah, it is. That's why I'm explaining what the point is,
Like,
to get these experience.
yes,
uh,
yes. If we go for local products, then we can, if we use our products, then we can have add on it. Like, jo, if we found any fault, then we can correct it. After
I
that,
got it.
we
I got
can
it.
global.
You mean to say it is a bigger concern, and for the vast time, it will take a vast time to
First, we go for
initiate
local,
it.
and then it leads to the global arena
Yeah,
soon.
I'm getting you. You means if we got
uh,
some fault in the aspect on this
Right.
part, but it will improve day by day. It
Improve
is
day by
not
day.
the
Right,
matter
right,
of
right.
one night. It will take a lot of efforts as well.
Sorry to interrupt you, sir, but I am not like it's a good catchy slogan, local for vocal, but I am totally not agree with both of you, because like there are the so many catchy slogans in our past also, but they just like faded by some after some years, like Garibi Hatao and all those. But poverty is still exist in India. So local for
First,
vocal, there are the like I want like there are the some problems in local for vocals. First of all, the production efficiency, like we are not that much able to we are not good in technology as much
yeah,
as
sure,
compared to
sure.
foreign goods.
I'm
And the second, sir,
Yeah,
first
sure,
can
sure,
I
sure.
complete? Okay.
Yeah, sure, sure.
And the second thing is uh, if efficiency is not efficient technology is not there for us, the product is obviously price is high, and
Okay.
we are like we are not as developed. Our per capita income is like lower, not much than as compared to developed countries. So we obviously go for the low go for the things which is price is lower. Like obviously
One
we
thing,
go.
one thing I want to add to your point is maybe it is not onto your point, but it is somehow related to your point that the amount of investment we do on any matter, it depends on that. If invest in local market, the technology of Indian people will we already know Indian citizens are too much in Canada, and they're moving to abroad just because of the international international investments. They have better investments in that. If we invest in our Indian local market, why would they go in fact they would try to do their work for the betterment of their country, as well as the main concern would be to invest and to get more money from the Indian market.
But sir, we
Yes.
totally depend on the foreign companies to invest in our India. Like our government hardly any invest in India, like
We
companies and
cannot say
all those. But
we cannot.
there are the still there
Well,
are
I would
Shouldn't
say,
still
depend it on the
yeah,
foreign
sure.
lower
companies.
than the foreign
Well,
companies.
I would say the point is, as you said, we are totally dependent on the international market. But well, let me tell you, most of the Indian women's are have given many opportunities, many scholarships. They are totally from the Indian market, in government, not from the international one. And moreover, I would like to add a point: the discrimination about the taxes is just from the Indian government, not put it on the international government. It depends on the income of the citizens, Indian citizens, not dependent on the international citizens. That is why Indian government is giving you the best opportunity with these. We cannot
Definitely, Indian
caution.
government
We
is
cannot caution with the
doing.
Indian government
Like
over
first,
this.
yes, because first of all, India's citizen should believe for their local products. As many of the more than 60-70% people doesn't believe on their local products. They go for the international products. First of all,
And that
Actually, they do.
the
believe
question is arises why we are not
because they don't
Because
have
we are
faith.
always familiar with that products. We always from starting we are from beginning we are use these products,
Well,
and
one thing,
first we have to put our efforts in it.
yes,
one thing
you
to
are
be
right,
noted
sir. But
as
when the like as the in India there is still like income problem. Like people
no,
don't
no,
have much
No,
pro
but
I don't
not
think
much
so.
to
But
a
as
one
large
thing,
extent, ma'am.
uh,
uh, one thing I would
Yes, yes,
note you down is like Indian market is growing in an international scale. The
yes, sir.
global market, like Google, is also trying to put some strings to get get the market in India. Why
Yes, sir.
they're doing so?
Recently,
Definitely, recently
They are trying,
Tesla also.
because they know that that India is going to put their investments lot more in future in their country as well, only in country, because they need to grow from the situation where they are right now. So they are investing their money in India. That is why we need to understand we are totally on the same path as our prime minister said with these three words. So I would say it's a great slogan, and whoever wrote this is a particular perfect in
yes,
the matter or in the
sir,
study.
the slogan is absolutely right. There is no problem in catchy slogan, but the problem is the implementation. Like how
The concern
there
is
are
the concern here
ma'am.
the
It will
concern is
implement, but it may take some time.
here the concern is all
yeah,
here the
sir, it
concern is
takes
all
some
about the
time, but
slogan. Here the concern is all about the slogan, not its tendency to affect it. It will affect it, but it will take a time. It is
Yes.
nothing.
Yes,
No,
sir.
Sir,
It will
no
take a
how
change in
time.
many
1 day.
how
No.
many people affected by this catchy slogans? Like how many people think seriously we should purchase
Okay.
the
Recently,
local things?
recently I
Hardly
gave you
50%.
I
More,
gave you
I think less than
a famous
50%.
I gave a famous example. Recently, we came to know about Baba Ka Dhaba. I
Yes, sir.
think you
Right.
must remember that. It is a
Yeah,
basic
definitely.
example,
Best.
and it is the foremost example that came to my mind. So,
Yeah,
Yes.
is it a different part, or it is not concerned with this topic? I think it is totally concerned with this topic. People are getting aware of the situation if they let
Yes, sir.
if citizens of India let them know that the situation is happening and how we can deal it. This is called awareing. First of all, we
But
must aware.
sir, in urban areas, people are more aware than the rural area. In rural area, hardly I think hardly affect this catchy slogan.
No, in urban area
Sometimes
and rural area, both are equally aware of this slogan, I guess, because
Are
of
aware
the.
of it. There is no problem of aware of it. But
I think media
they
and news
like
is everywhere, so we can't say that we are not aware of this slogan or
in
anything else
fact
like that.
she added a point about urban areas and rural areas. So in village people try to invest in their relatives because they don't want to be invested in foreign, most of the people. And this is the basic part. If they are not
hey,
getting it,
sir.
they
Tata
are
is also
anyway doing it.
investing in India. Is
They
bringing up
I
the
have
companies,
seen
manufacturing companies in India. And recently, I guess Tesla company is also going to be start up their concept in 2021 in
Yeah, more and
India.
more, more and more companies will try to string their
It
pins
it is just
in
about
India.
the time that it will come in India, and the slogan will be, I guess, very promotive at that time also.
Yeah,
Yes.
sure.
This slogan creates very excitement level in the small level of
Yeah,
business
that
person.
is
They
galvanize them.
they do sorry they do their business very effectively. They work now with full and 100. They give their 100% now because this slogan creates energy in them, the business person, which think that they not run their business in the local level, but now they can run their business at the in the local market and achieve a success. I am definitely sure about it because uh, first time they got the chance to prove themselves. And also day by day technology are increasingly, if we use the product, if we found faults, we tell them, we give reviews about product use, they can definitely improve themselves. And after that they can take their products, our Indian products, to the global market surely in coming years, in coming future.
Yes, the
I'm
main
definitely
empowerment
sure
in this
about it.
slogan can be acknowledgement. If we acknowledge our own products, it can enhance the empowerment of the public also to invent more and invest in Indian market also. So we should at least acknowledge every little thing that has been introduced in the market or invented by Indians.
Yes, for a businessman, it is an excellent chance to increase the business. And even in this situation, they will definitely try to put their 200% out of it, because every company is losing their respect because of this corona or a pandemic. But now they are given some chance. Why would they lose it? They would totally invest in it.
Sir,
Definitely, many students also invented their hand sanitizer machines at home using local tools and equipment to enhance their and introduce in the market also. So many small companies and small manufacturers has come up with the new solutions for sanitizers also.
Yeah, the point is very much right. Very much right.
Yes,
Sir, the
like
slogan is given, I think, before 3 months ago. Like they 3 months already gone for given this catchy slogan, vocal for local. Okay, so how many of you are use their product in their own house? Like how many people? Like there are the 6 or 7 people in the group.
Okay.
So how many
I'll give
people
you two
go
like
examples.
for
as
it?
you says this, like
Sincerely.
I'll give
you
you two
know,
examples of
in
it.
last months, very many Play Store apps are banned, like TikTok and other so on.
Yes, ma'am.
Recently, even our GGU students made the app replacement
Yes,
of that Desi Kalakar. You all well.
yes, ma'am.
So
Familiar,
this
ma'am.
is the example that
One more thing.
we are not less from than the international market. We create
And about the
immediately.
Indian market, about the
We are
Indian
not.
market, we are using more products in Reliance and more products in Agio. We are highly dependent on Geo.
We replace
Most of the
the
citizens are.
TikTok
The
very
most
soon.
local example is
Many
Jio.
apps are
Yes.
made according to it. There are so many apps which have been replaced
Yes,
from
ma'am. Just like
like
Josh,
Indian.
etc.
So
It
there
is
are the
not an
few.
ambiguous. It is not an ambiguous slogan. It is has a clear cut put out.
I think it's like.
We can give example
Wait
of
a minute.
We
Aadhaar Setu app
do
also.
respect your thinking, but however, the facts say that it is the best particular statement that we can make with these just three words.
But sir, the problem is again here. How many people like there are the some few things are changed. Like I have asked about the things. How many people are use the local product in their home? Like how as a like there is nothing like we are not using anything from last like we are not going to purchase anything last 3 months. We are going for purchase something in house. But how many
Something
people
and
are going
majorly
for local for
and
vocal?
majorly
In this pandemic
majorly
situation, more
majorly
than
grocery and the vegetables and whatever is filled as day by day need, and day by day need is completely
What is this?
developed in Indian market, and nothing is imported from the outside market. So this is the best example you can have how
right,
Sir,
how
can
this
you
and
is.
also in this
sir can
pandemic
you repeat
situation,
it?
most
I
of
didn't
the
get it.
almost every people use the local products.
Yeah, exactly. I'm giving the same
This is
example of it
right, right,
in, a,
right.
in an explicit way. I can give you the example of grocery, and I can give you the example of cereals we are using now. We buy in last 3 months. We didn't buy an international seed. We buy means local market seeds,
Local market
and
Patanjali is also a famous brand in India.
yeah, and for that just to increase this slogan, one more act is just proposed in a local sabha and Rajya Sabha, that is farm, yeah, farm bills, just to
Yes, sir.
increase this effect of this slogan, I mean.
Definitely the one the
But it
concept of
have negative impact also, na? Ki, the farm bill also have negative impact.
the farm bill is not
I
having a
know
So,
negative
ma'am,
somehow
what
impact.
is the
Farmers are
negative
not
effect
One
in
market
this,
is
ma'am?
more
farmers
effective.
are not accepted it.
well
For
this is
whom
not
you are
well this
made,
is
Ma'am,
not
that's a
the
separate talk,
question is
ma'am. But the negative, what is the negative thing in this vocal for local, ma'am?
Yeah, exactly.
there
The
is
What is
concern
the
is about
negative
the
thing, ma'am?
topic.
There is
Concern
nothing
about
negative
this
in this
topic.
slogan.
For this
there is
vocal for local, we just increase our globalization, increase our economy, or makes us self-reliant, ma'am. So, what is the negative impact on this on us, ma'am, due to this?
after like I have studied the past catchy slogans also. There are some, but there are hardly any like they like the uh, catchy slogan are good. The slogan is very catchy, but like I
Excuse
have told
me,
also the
But it all depends on us how we.
ma'am.
I have told you that the efficiency,
Actually,
product's
time up
efficiency,
हो गया
and the
आपके ग्रुप
price.
का.
So just last one
Thank you
minute
so much.
to wind up. Anyone from you can conclude last 1 minute.
Okay, sir. The point is this. First point, concluding is catchy slogan will initiate and galvanize the person, the citizens, and thus will help many uneducated person to get aware of the situation and get aware of the content we are facing now, the problem we are facing now, and will help this slogan will help Indian market to grow at global rate. So I think this is an explicit example of good mindset.
Thank you, everyone. Now, next group is Unnati. Please mention the name of the student.
Can we mute ourselves?
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So
Those
next,
students who are done with the group discussion, either they can leave or they can sit as an audience if they want. The result will be declared in the group, WhatsApp group.
so sir, next group will be Shaina Girdhar, Shalya Jain, Raghav, Pratibha Sangwan, and Nishit Shubhankar.
What this is?
Ma'am, Raghav is.
Dhruv Grover, Aman Jindal, Kavita, and Sagar Mishra. You can leave now. Your group discussion is over.
Unnati, please repeat the name of the participants of the second group.
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly repeat the name of the participants so that I can enter their names in the judgment sheet.
Okay, ma'am.
Please.
The participants in second group will be Shalya Jain.
Shalja Jain.
Ma'am, it's not Shalja, it's Shali Jain. SHALLY JAIN.
SHALLY. Shali Jain. Thank you, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And Dikshu Sangwan. No, it's not. Ma'am, Pratibha Sangwan.
Dikshu Sangwan, na?
No, ma'am. No, she's a volunteer. Ma'am, it's Pratibha Sangwan.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am. And Shaina Girdhar. And Nishit Shubhankar.
Nishit Shubhankar.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Just 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Right now we have only 3. One Shally
3
has
are
also
present.
left.
Shelly
Okay,
has
sir.
left. Fine. We have 2 groups today.
Yes, I think so because most of the students have not joined.
Turned up.
I think they have their class, some important class. They couldn't come today.
Anyways.
All the participants should put your mic and camera on. Shall we start, ma'am?
Ma'am, you can give the topic to them. Shally Jain is here. Back.
Okay, Shelly Jain is here.
Shally, open your video.
Yes, sir. Hello.
The topic for the second group is Farm Bills 2020. Will it break the glass ceiling? The topic is Farm Bills 2020. Will it break the glass ceiling? Over to Unnati.
All the participants should start. Your time start now.
Okay, first I would like to tell what are the farm bills first. So there are
हेलो
So there are
प्रताप मलिक हेलो बोलो कैसे हेलो सर प्रताप मलिक सर आपने मुझे सागर मिश्रा को हेलो सर आपने मुझे सागर मिश्रा को यानी सेकेंड ग्रुप में बांटा था, तो फर्स्ट ग्रुप में मैं बैठा सुन रहा था, आपने सेकेंड ग्रुप में बोल दिया कि आप मतलब आप निकल जाओ इस ग्रुप से। सर मैंने कुछ भी बोला भी नहीं।
वो तो मैंने जैसे वेट कर रहा था कि आपने क्यों नहीं बोला। चलो आप इसमें आ जाओ, इस वाले ग्रुप में आ जाओ।
हाँ जी सर, मैं आता हूँ, ज्वाइन करता हूँ इसमें। एक मिनट सब, एक मिनट चलो वीडियो चलो।
So मैम वी हैव सागर मिश्रा अगेन, उस वाले में से उसका हटा दीजिएगा नाम, so he will be part of this.
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर। किधर बैठे, चेयर ले आओ, चेयर
Kelly Jan, switch on your video.
and mic also.
Yes. Sagar, now all set?
Okay, ma'am.
Now you can start.
Hello, good evening, everyone. First of all, before starting this discussion, we need to understand what is the Farm Bill and when they get into the Act. Farm Bill come into the Act on 20 September. Farm Bill contains three basic bills. Before the Farm Bill, there was APMC Act. What is APMC? APMC was basically that act which was again taken into action for the farmers, just because they were getting exploited every time by the zamindar of their own town. The basic problem why this act come, just because the farmers are still getting exploited by their earlier bill. But even in this bill, no one is farmers for even in this bill is for farmers, but still farmers are protesting against it. We need to understand the fact why they are protesting and are they protesting. For me, farmers are still in this India. Farmers don't have that basic education that they know each and everything legally. In this bill, mainly the Indian government says that the farmers get connected by the industry. In earlier case, we see the Pepsi. Pepsi had made that legal papers and signed them by the farmers. Still, they put the farmers into the court and win the case. They bring money from, also take the money from the farmers. So I think this bill need not to be taken in action, but the earlier bill, which was already in there, APMC, that need to be implemented in a better way. This was my point.
Yes, you are right. And I think farmer is getting very low price where they are selling. Because of the middlemen, they are taking a high price, and at the end they are giving the farmers a very low price. So basic point is farmers is exploiting at every step, everywhere farmer is exploiting. So I guess there should be some no mitigator in between. We should can direct.
Yeah. What we need to understand is the middlemen we are talking about, the APMCs, were actually the state governments which intervened and gave them what is something called the price discovery. So the farmers took their grains and everything, and they went to the market where they discovered what the produce is actually worth. Now, what this new bill does is that the big corporations can now just straight buy from the farmers. First, they had to go through the state government to buy from the farmers. Now, what the fear is that why farmers are rebelling against this act is because big corporations are now allowed to intervene with the farmers directly without any state complaints. without any the state intervening at all. So what the fear is that the MSP, which was previously a safety net for farmers, if you see maybe their grains are not sold, what used to happen was that the state would buy everything from the farmers and give them MSP, or the minimum support price, so that they go home with at least something. If not, making a huge profit, they won't even have a loss. Now what the fear is that big corporations would meddle straight with the farmers, and which would lead to farmers getting exploited even more.
Yes,
And this
exactly.
is not a baseless, this is not baseless accusations that are the farmers are putting. We keep saying that farmers may not know everything, they are not educated. This is not baseless. The farmers' fear is not baseless. In 2006 in Bihar, the APMCs were removed, and what we found was that 86% of farmers were exploited and were given less than the MSPs. So that is why farmers are afraid that somehow if the government gets rid of the MSPs completely, then they would be forced to sell their products at a very low price to huge corporations.
Yes,
So
Nishit,
now the
I
agriculture
think
sector has also become
earlier,
capitalist. That is the fear of the farmers. So yeah,
uh,
the farmer bill is not very
Yes,
farmer
Nishit,
friendly.
I
if you would.
agree with your point about the exploitation of the farmer by the retailers. But the step taken by here by the government is that they will remove the middleman between the farmers and the retailers. But the
Again, there was
farmers
no
are
middleman. The middleman is the government,
that
the state
kind of
government.
APMC.
They are removing the state government from the equation. The state government was the farmer's safety net. So yeah, just correcting you. Please continue. Please continue.
Okay. Now they can also sell their crops to the private men and directly to the big companies. But the farmers are having problem that the small farmers, they don't have that much farm production that they contact with the big companies directly. So they are having this fear that they will again have to go to some middleman and they will again exploit them. And another point is that there is now done this amendment that firstly there was a limit to how much they can store at their storage houses, but now the limit is removed, so they can store as much as they want. So now the farmers are having this fear that if they will store and then they will decide the price of the crops, so it will not be in the hands of the farmers. So if they store the crops in the first time and then they will not need in the next time, then they will have to they will get only low price. So these are some fears of them.
I also want to add something here. Earlier, in the earlier act, this was the state government was the middleman, as Nishit said. But the state, it was far better than these corporations still, because state government they took that money in the form of tax and used it in the development of that particular state. But when this come to the corporations, the corporation will take to them their own country. They will not help us to develop that particular state.
Because
And the
tax is
state
deducted.
Yes, I'll also affirmation is that.
Actually, APMT Act is all about the tax we have collected on the part of mandi basis, and these taken by the state government, and where state government where tax collected, it gives to the less development state. They don't give like less Bihar we are talking about, or Punjab. So there was a certain percentage which government collect tax because agriculture.
Yeah. So, people might say that farmers will now actually make more profit, that government will not intervene. They would straight give to the big corporations and make huge profits. What we need to understand that 86% of all land holdings in India by the farmers are either small or very marginal. So
Yes,
them
I am
making a
affirmation to
profit,
you.
that percentage is very low, that farmers will actually make a profit. So making profit, there are various variables that go into the equation. The water supply, the electricity supply, that is all dependent on the government and on the weather. So farmers are not. So the government used to be a safety net for the farmers. But now,
Yes, I'm
if
affirmation to you as well.
remove the government from their
We all know
existence,
this.
then
This
it
bill
will all
is
become a
not
very
that better
capitalist
from the
society.
earlier one. This is the reason the government made this bill, pass this bill so earlier. We see that Rajya Sabha, what happened in the Rajya Sabha at the time of this bill, voice test has been taken.
Yeah,
The
that is, yeah.
opposition was not there. And how someone can be so irresponsible? They know this is the biggest bill and every 66% of the population will get affected by this, but they didn't care about that. They just passed their bill in the Rajya Sabha with very low number of people there. This is the wrong way, and
Yeah.
the test they had conducted, voice test, which don't have any kind of proof for the earlier for the future. So this was not the correct way to pass any kind
Yeah.
of bill. Everyone get
No,
affected by this.
no, I'm negation to point because every bill is passed by Lok Sabha, either Raj Sabha, that may takes part is public policy. Public policy not be negotiations why anything will pass by either parliament, because cabinet pass, if suppose cabinet pass any bill, that means the whole majority will pass the bill, because every let's say former government, either Congress, either any government, that cabinet takes more important calculations for passing the act.
The exact point is, opposition was not even there at that time when this
Yes,
bill gets passed.
yes, I'm sorry for
They-
negotiation. Yes, opposition is not be responsible to this bill. Yes, I'm affirmation that.
Yeah, this bill is, so wonderfully controversial that, after this bill was passed, BJP's oldest ally, Shiromani Akali Dal, they quit the NDA. That is how, controversial this bill actually is. They rushed through the process of, of making it an act. And now you need to understand that this all looks good on paper, but the implementation can actually be a disaster, because
Exactly.
this
This
will turn
bill
the
was
agriculture sector into a very capitalist center. Yeah.
Yes,
Exactly.
it
This
avoided
bill
many.
was just to prevent farmers from the exploitation, but this bill again put the farmers on the exploitation. We need to understand this bill was taken from the developed countries. In developed countries, farmers are doing suicide. The reason was the same. If the bill was not worked there, how you can be so sure that this bill will work in this country? You can't be so irresponsible. Carelessness. You are showing the carelessness here right now that a country with so a great
Yeah.
number of farmers
If a
are
bill
there.
works in one country, it does not, that does not mean it would work in another country. Wonderful point made by you. That
Yes,
does not,
I'm also
nowhere
saying,
means that
adding,
it
I'm
will
also
work.
adding some point that firstly, know what is the problem of why this bill comes up. Firstly, if this is that the Land Reformation Act, any act, that is UP, Punjab, Bihar, these are mainly UP and Bihar. These are the share of land is very small. The per capita income
Yeah, they are
of
less developed states.
yes, less developed, but the sharing of land is also small by per farmers per capita per 100,000 of farmers as well.
Shelly Jain, we are not able to see your video. You will be disqualified. I am not able to assess your body language.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, continuing
need
to
to
this, I would
understand
like to add that this, like she said, this is so good on if we see on the paper, but they didn't look it by standing in the place of those small farmers. Like in practicality, it is not so that the farmers produces the crops and they sell. They have to take most of the time debt rupees to first show their crops, and they were dependent on the local agents who work at the APMC, and now
Yes,
they
because
don't
of
have
that,
any.
they are able to sell their crops further to the directly to their customer because mediators are allowed everywhere.
I'm sorry, I didn't get you. Please repeat your point.
I am saying that first the small farmers don't have so much money to produce the crops by their own money, so they were like dependent on the local commission agents for taking the money, and then they produce the crops, and
Yeah,
they
even
can't
if
take.
they do,
Yes,
Yeah,
this
even
was
if they
the
do,
earlier Act, APMC. It was
it would
seen
not mean
based
that.
on the particular APMC. I think before making this act into the action, we need to understand why we taken in this, why we take this.
Yes,
Earlier system was
exactly. I
great; it
agree.
was fine. We need to correct that particular system. We need that system should work properly. Firstly, you make that act. Now you are also bringing 3 more bills at the name of farm bill. Now you also don't work on them. Then what is the main function? That why you are making all the bills? Just correct the earlier one. The farmers will get the.
Yeah, correcting the earlier. See, that's a different problem. See, this bill is every aspect around this bill is very controversial. So thinking that will it break the glass ceiling? Will farmers become somehow rich from this bill? Would be absolute bonkers. We cannot say that farmers will gain wonderful profit from this bill.
They will not gain by this act only. Just
Sorry,
continue.
what?
I was just saying
Yeah.
they are not getting any
To
kind
say
of
that farmers
profit
would
from
somehow
this.
become rich from this bill is,
We both need to be in a path.
laughable. It's a laughable fact because this bill actually just creates a framework that farmers will somehow go to the buyer before the production of the farm and farm produce and then make a bill. But the government, when the government intervened in the middle, they gave them something, the safety. Somehow, if your surplus is not bought, what would you do with that? The government used to buy everything and then give them MSP. Now the farmers are very afraid that if this bill now the bill is passed, in a few years MSPs would be scrapped entirely. So farmers would have no safety at all. They would always second guess how much produce they should have, how much yield they should produce, and if the corporate would buy it or not, if the people would buy it or not, what is the price of the. So now the price discovery is gone. Farmers will not know what their grain is actually worth, and that is disastrous. That is disastrous.
One thing I want to add here is that earlier middleman was state government. State government was sure help the farmers as compared to the corporation. Corporation don't get affected by any kind of thing that our farmers are living or they're dead in society. But the state government is responsible. Still, as compared to the corporation, state government was still better. As compared to
People chose the state government. No, people chose what government would help them. People don't choose big corporations to come help them. There is no way a big corporation would step in and say, no, I'm going to save the farmers. Big corporations will not be there to save the farmers. They would be there to get what they want at the lowest possible price. They do not care about the farmers.
Exactly, they will not care of the farm. They will
don't.
Exactly, but the government will.
This is actually capitalist bills to cater to the most richest 1%. That is what it is.
So, yes, of course, this will benefit more the traders and the big companies than the farmers. This is clear, and it is not true. Not clear that whether it will help the farmers or not. So I think that government should rethink about it and reconsider about it.
I also want to add, say the same thing.
Now
this
it
is not for the farmers.
In my way, sorry.
For the corporations. Corporations will get the maximum benefit by this bill. Then why we say this bill as a farm bill? Farmers are not getting any kind of benefit from this. This is the bill for the corporation.
Exactly.
In my way, sorry for interruption. In my way, any policy we can make the parliament. This is the whole thing is good policy. Their implementation is problem. The bill is should be better, but the implementation is so irresponsible, irrelevant that such a contrast to irresponsible of this farmer or not. This is the main point of getting that.
So in case of making new bills, you need to correct that earlier one. Don't just keep making the bills and showing that our government is doing good or this.
Yes,
this is not
exactly.
correct way.
Yes,
just
exactly.
Improve the earlier conditions and work on them. Yes, correct the earlier situation in case of making this new bill. And in case you pass any kind of bill, at least be responsible. Don't show that kind of carelessness you show in this earlier case. No, opposition was not there. There was all the seats are empty. Only few persons were there. They were just passing the bill. How this can be possible? Agriculture is the main occupation for the various population of India. We all are dependent on that. Somewhere we all are the people from villages and small towns. We know the condition
Point
of
is,
farmers.
agriculture
And
is a
we
main
know
thing,
that
but still farmer is not getting benefits. And it also come under state government, and state is taking their benefits and giving pressure to the farmers, but farmers is exploiting. What bills are doing? Why
They
we are
did not
passing?
this is also
manipulate,
the main
they did
point.
not
Na?
exploit
This
the
bill
farmers.
is for to
State was
prevent
there
the
to
explanation
provide a
of.
safety net for the farmers.
One more thing I
Now
would
we
like
need
to
to
add to.
understand the process that is now being scrapped. The process was farmers will take their grain to the market and then realize and then go through a process called price discovery. This is where
Yes,
the state would tell them what the grain is actually worth according to the demand, and the amount of supply they have with them.
Yes,
And
yes,
the demand in the
Corporation
market.
will not
yes,
give
And
them
they
that
yes,
particular
accordingly,
amount of MSP. They will just need their
big
benefit.
corporations would come and pay that price that the government has set for them. Now,
Exactly.
when the government is
Yeah,
not there, the
yes.
corporations will make the bid themselves, and there is no way that they will give them, a fair price.
Obviously,
The
the
government
farmer
is
will
there
not
to
get any
provide
kind
the
of
farmer a
benefit.
fair price. And what?
Obviously, there is need to be the farmer are made like a businessman. If we farmer are only farmer, there is no today's globalization era. The globalization era is not our PM is given the slogan is local for local. This is mean is that our product
This
of
completely
production of
exploit
pharmacy.
the
Yes,
vocal for
production.
local. He gave the dialogue that vocal for
Yes,
local. Now he do this
Shaina,
all
let
for
him
the
complete.
corporation.
Shaina, let him complete. Let him. Yes, Sagar.
Yes. Sorry, sir, interruption for. But I think the we have to connected the local product for globalization. There is the increasing the money demand, increasing the power of purchasing priority of farmers. This boost the living condition, ease of doing business, and also we have to adapt the cutting technologies also well to enhance the productivity and implementation it. Thank you.
Add to this.
Yeah, what you are saying is we have to have cutting technology to the farmers. As I told you before, 86% of farmers all across India, what land they procure is, or either small or marginal. They don't have they don't have enough variables. There are many variables that go into the equation that farmers can produce something that is profitable. Their water supply,
I
electricity
say
supply,
something
as
to
you
the
said,
ending.
Yes.
Farmer
cutting
is
technology is
feeding
something
everyone, but farmer is
that
not
is
getting fed itself.
government somehow has
We
to
should
provide it to
need
the
to
farmers.
concentrate.
Now, so
Kelly, can you just repeat?
when the farmers have have a low percentage of making a profit, and now you are getting the corporations into it. Now it has become a capitalist center. So now who is actually the farmers will not make the bid. The bid is made by the corporation. So
Yes, well, yeah,
corporations
permission.
are at the driving seat. Farmers have taken a back seat now. At least before
So students,
they had some safety.
time is up. So you have last 1 minute
So
to
I
conclude.
think, as we all know, as we all agreed that this bill is not for the farmers. This bill was only for the corporations. Mainly, this will not get any farmers will not get any kind of benefit by this bill. Mainly,
Yes, farmer is paid.
I think the policy is very good. There is only one contrast is that implementation. If implementation for this bill is right now on land, law of land, there must be benefit on
This
farmers.
bill was implemented. Something like APMCs were once removed in 2006, and it was a disaster in Bihar. So we have proof that this bill has not worked in India, and it will not work again. The corporations are here to, arm twist the farmers and get the money that they want. So the government, when the government intervened, it actually made sure that the farmers make something, if not profit, at least something, not loss at least. The corporates are not here to make sure of that. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much, students.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very
Over
much,
to you.
every participants. Now I would like to request our both judges to give your views. Taruna ma'am. First, you will start.
Yes. What should I say? These young buddies, they're really superb. And the beauty with which they have expressed their views really on the farm bills, they have made the concept clear. Even to my concepts, they have clarified. And the onus of, am I audible to everyone?
Yes, yes, yes.
I tell you that India is the nation where we have the maximum percentage of youth. And the honors of carrying forward this nation is with the youth only. So, bache, you might have realized that policymakers, whatever they are doing, it is your responsibility to take care of everything, especially during this pandemic time. We have to take care of our own self and of our surroundings, and make it clear that charity begins at home. Wherever near your surroundings, wherever help is required, be ready for that. With this, I would like to conclude and wishing you all the best, and let's wait for the judgment to come. And all the best. There will be one winner, and the rest see. You all really did very well. You all spoke well. Aditya Virji will let you know. He will announce the results soon. Let's wait for the results.
The result will be posted in the WhatsApp group itself.
Okay, fine. So here we are not going to announce the results.
We are not doing it here.
Okay, let me know the results.
Yes, sure.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I want to call Vivek sir for his review. Sir? Sir, you are not audible. Please turn on your mic.
Hello, yes.
Yes.
Yes, I have given the marks to the ITV, sir. And as Taruna ma'am said that this time people have varied knowledge about different kind of subjects and topics, and yet I chose the topic of my concern, that was Uniform Civil Code, and clearly students were already prepared for that what they need to and what they have to say on it, and majority was having a slant eye view on that as well, and it is clearly welcome. So I would like to ask to Sir ITV, sir, add these kind of social topics more and more often in the future seminars, because these topics are these are the topics which includes all kind of plethora of knowledge into a single domain. And again, all the best to everyone.
Thank you. So before we leave, I hope the judges have marked their marks in the Excel sheet provided to you. And I would request all the participants and volunteers to switch on their video for a group photograph.
Everyone, please turn on your camera.
Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, everyone. This event doesn't succeed without hard work of all the volunteers, supervision of Aditya Veer sir and Pratap sir, participation of all the students, and guidance and valuable time of our respected judges. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much.
The result will be sent to you, Taruna ma'am and Vivek ji. I will send the result to you personally. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.